In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel, whether you have videos ready to go to upload or you're just starting from scratch. We're going to show you easy step-by-step instructions. Let's get started. Okay, so to create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail account. Now, if you already have a Gmail account, you can skip to the next step. If you don't, I'll show you how to get a Gmail account. So just go to google.com, click sign in, and it'll say create account right here. Choose what it is for myself, and then here you'll enter your personal information to create your account. Okay, after you fill out the information with your name, username, and password, click next. Okay, phone number is optional, but I usually enter that one. Easier to recover as well. You have a recovery email, date of birth, and gender. Okay, after you fill that out, click next. And the privacy terms. Make sure you go through and read all the privacy terms. And after that, click agree. Okay, so you have created your Gmail account. Now let's head over to youtube.com. Okay, so once you're here at youtube.com, on the top right, click sign in. And since I was already signed in to my Google account, it signed me in, as you can see, to my YouTube account using my Google account. Okay, now let's click on your channel, and you'll see nothing pops up. So now it's asking me to create a channel. So let's go ahead and name the channel. This is basically the display name. That's why you want to choose something that either you're going to name your channel or something that relates to the business or the type of videos that you'll be making. Okay, after you enter that, click create channel. Boom, and there you have it. You have created your YouTube channel, but you're not finished yet. So let's head on over to the top. Over here where it says customize channel. So this is what people will see when they go to your channel. So make sure to add your avatar here or your logo. This is why usually people put their logo there, or a picture of you, profile, depending on what you're doing, and channel art. There's also channel description here, so that you have to put your about section. So if you're a business, put what your business is about, maybe even contact information for your business. Or if you're a gaming channel, put here what you are. Hey, gaming channel, what games you play. That way people, when they land on your channel, you know, they can understand more what your channel is about. Now, when it comes to your channel art, there's specific dimensions that you need for your channel art, or your banner is what it's called. So let me show you right here. So the overall banner is 2560 by 1440. This is because you have to remember that people are viewing YouTube in different, either on TV, on their desktop, tablet, or their phone. So depending on where they're looking at, your banner or your channel art will look different. You know, it'll expand or contract depending on what they're looking at through. And so this is the general dimensions for it. And for the safe area, this is where usually you'll see the people when you go on their channel, their logo or text would be within the smaller little area here, because that's most likely to show up on every platform. Whether you're looking at it through mobile or all the way up to TV, it'll show right here. Okay, so make sure you, when you create your channel or have somebody create it, make sure they're sticking to these guidelines and put your information within the safe area. So for your avatar here or your icon, by clicking on it, it'll take you out of YouTube into Google, or the old Google Plus, but basically Google. That way you can upload your picture here, and by doing it through there, it'll change on your YouTube channel. So I know it's a little bit, just because they're synced up, Google owns YouTube, so that's why a lot of these features that we're pushing Google or Gmail and Google Plus, and so that's why a lot of these things are synced up and hooked together. So we just click upload, and then just pick something that represents your company or your logo or your face, your profile picture, so whatever you want to put on there. Again, everything depends on your YouTube channel. And then this one is square format, so make sure whatever you upload, it'll fit within here. You can move it left and right, but it'll be in this just square dimension format, okay? So you click done, go back, hit refresh, and there it is. And so what you want to do is start adding the information here. So make sure you finish that part, add this, add the banner, and then finish your about page. Okay, you can even, if you're a business, you can add your email here and also where you're located. You know, a lot of people use Google or YouTube to be found, or for their business to be found. So it's a great way for you to be, you know, discovered out there, because Google and YouTube are connected. YouTube #1, Google #1 search engine. YouTube is the #2. Okay, and then the links right here, this is where you can add the links to either a website or all your social media accounts. So once you add them here, they'll appear up here on the top, on the bottom right here. Okay, you'll see them there, and you can add, you know, as many as you want, but try not to add too many, because then it'll be confusing to people. You want to make sure your call to action is always specific and minimal. Click here or follow me on Instagram, you know, that way you'll gain more followers there versus go to my website, go to Facebook, go here, go here, go here. Okay. So right now, this is somebody that's already subscribed and comes back. This is how you'll look right now, because obviously nothing has been done to it. So make sure you go in, fill out in your channel description. And then once you start adding videos, this is where you'll start doing the different changes to your video and how your channel looks. You can add a section that has your latest videos, or a section that has a specific playlist that you have. Okay, so you can upload or have it here and have different lines depending on how many you want to have. If you have, say, you know, 3 different playlists, you might want to have all 3 playlists here, or just the most recent uploads, then the recent uploads here. Okay. The other thing I want to show you is, click on the little circle again, click Creator Studio. Oh yeah, there's a new Studio Beta. So if you're brand new to this, you know, it's still a way to discover it. You know, it'll take you a little bit of time to try to discover all the buttons. They recently changed this, so I like the old one. So let me just change this to the old one real quick. And you can always change this that way. Settings, Creator Studio Classic. I'm just used to the old one, so I'm just going to show you the rest of the stuff in the old one. Okay, so I'm back here at the older Creator Studio, but this is the one I'm used to, and this is what a lot of people still use as they're getting used to the newer Studio Beta. So click on Channel, and then here there's a couple things to make sure you do. Make sure you verify your channel, and later on you want to make sure a lot of these will eventually be enabled. You're just brand new, especially monetization. So if you click on branding, you can add your watermark. And this is what you usually see at the bottom right of a video. It's either the channel's logo, or it might be a button that says subscribe, or just sometimes the YouTube button. So depending on what you want to add there, usually I like to add a button that says subscribe here. That way people watching it know exactly what to do and where to click to hit subscribe. So there you have it. Let me know if you have any more further questions on that, or if you were stuck on any of those steps. Let me know. Leave them down in the comment section below so I can answer those questions and get you going on creating that YouTube channel. Don't forget to continue your digital media education by clicking or tapping on one of these videos. As always, Carlos, Zepeda Media. See you on the next one. Bye.